Anywhere I said I'm ready. I said I'm ready.
What's up, you guys? It's your girl Chloe, and we are back for another video. Okay, so you guessed it, I'm here at the beautiful sunny park. I just had a full day at work. Girl, oh my god, she's glad she's off. That's all I have to say. It's time to get our workout on. I've been looking forward to this moment all day. This has been something that I've been looking forward to recently, and it's really just helping me. It's making me feel better. And you know what? It's making your girl snatched. Like, she's not perfect, but she's getting there. Ooh, check me out. Outfit is from Target. But anyways, I'm about to start working out. I gotta get over being shy. I'm gonna go find a spot to sit at, and you guys are gonna come with me, okay? Because I got the eye of the tiger. I'm trying to get in the ring. You feel me? Like, let's go. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with the first part of my workout. I just basically did a little warm up and toning before I do cardio. Let's hit the next spot. Oh, the park is getting lit, y'all. We gotta go. Alright, you guys, so I made it from the park to the gym. It took me about 60 seconds to get here. It's literally down the street, and that's kind of one of the reasons why I choose to work out this way, because it's convenient. It has to be convenient and efficient, because you guys know the way gas prices are right now. Girl, I'm not about to be driving all over town for a workout. Okay, so we're here at the gym. I'm just kind of getting ready, and I feel I don't know, I feel no matter how good at this I get, I feel I'm always gonna need a moment before I walk up in the gym, and I don't know what it is, but you know what, fuck it. So, if you're liking this video so far, you're feeling it, right? I know you're feeling it. Go ahead and hit subscribe, girl. Turn on your notifications. We're doing this. Okay, so anyways, let's get down to business. Okay, so I'm finally in the space, you guys, where I feel like I can vlog. I'm ready to talk to you guys. I'm ready to just get into this filming thing. So anyways, I'm home from the workout. It was so good. I give myself a round of applause and a pat on the back, girl, because honestly, you know what? Motherhood is hard. I'm always tired. Working, a full-time job 9 to 5 is hard. And so to be able to bust out a full workout after just going through my day, it's an accomplishment. So okay, so let's get down to business. I'm hungry, I'm tired, but I'm also super excited to just create content for you guys. So here I am. I'm sitting in my room on my floor. I got a bunch of lights. It's super hot. Got my aloe hoodie on. Feeling accomplished. Let's get into it. Okay, so I have packages, I have shopping hauls, and I have some makeup I want to show you guys. And then, like I told you, I'm so hungry. I'm going to take you guys in my little kitchen and we're going to make dinner tonight. Okay, I just got some really cheap products while I was at Target. Let me show you guys what I got. So I got these Ardell Wispies, and these two concealers by e.l.f. I needed some setting powder, so I got the e.l.f. Illuminating. I'm trying to find the spot for you guys. Let's see. There it is. And liquid liner. There it is. Liquid liner. Super simple. It's called Ride or Die Lip Balm. So that's all the makeup I got. So stay tuned for videos on this. Okay, we're gonna do tutorials and some get ready with me, girl. You know what I'm talking about. So that's that. Then, okay, so I'm trying to organize all my stuff and just add some color to my life. And my favorite color is pink. So I've been adding pink stuff. So I needed to organize my shoes. The other day I was at Burlington, and so I bought this. It's a Juicy Couture shoe rack, y'all. I already opened it, and low-key I was going to set it up, and then I saw what was in the box, and I was like, skirt, we're not doing that today. I was tired. I had a long day that day, so I wasn't about to set it up. So it is open, but I just wanted to show you guys because I'm probably going to put it on video of myself trying to put this together. We'll see how that goes. Hold on, let me just open it and see. I just want to show you guys so you can get an idea of why it's open and not put together. You see all that? Wow! Look how cute! Pink velvet little pumpkins. So I don't know where I'm going to put these, but these I'm super excited for. Sugar skulls. I'm gonna paint these. I just saw them and I thought they were super cute. Instruction paper for the girls to do arts and crafts. Picture books for baby girl. Super cute, you know. And these are so cute. I got the little sticky notes. These are super cute. You could put pencils in them. I'm gonna use these for makeup. So these are gonna go in my vanity, which is right here. These I got as well to organize my vanity. I'm going to put these up in the kitchen. There we go. In different sizes. Stickers, and they're super cute. I thought I would just put them in my planner. Some more containers. These I'm going to use for underneath the sinks in the bathroom. I have 2 bathrooms, so I'm going to probably do 2 underneath and 2 underneath the other one. So that's that. Up and see what it is. Open it up and see what it is. Yes, girl. Okay, let me get up close so you can see. So there's just like a few hairs left and I can't take it. And so basically after that trip, made me not want to get eyelashes anymore, and I kind of appreciate doing my own makeup and like putting on whatever lashes I feel for the moment, the strip lashes. So it's kind of weird for me waking up every day with the lashes. I kind of like coming home and being able to just like, you know, do the little skirt and take them off like it's over, you know, take a break, like taking your hair off at the end of the day. So we're done with the lashes. So this is gonna be, we'll see if I do this tonight, or I might do it. Either way, it's going to be in a different video. I'm going to try to take this stuff off. So I have no idea what I'm doing, and I don't know if it's going to work. But we're just going to go with it and hope that it does work, you guys, because I'm so sick of these eyelashes. Like, honestly, done. And last, but definitely not least. Honestly, we saved the best for last. There's a whole story behind this package because I almost didn't get it today. But you know what? We're not gonna, that's in the past. We're gonna talk about the fact that I have this package in my hands and I'm so excited, you guys. Let's open it up. Okay. This is it, you guys. I've been waiting for this. As you all know, I have like a super short pixie cut, and I just, you know, I love the haircut. I love short haircuts, and when I did it, it was feeling like the moment. Okay. Super cute. Let's open it up. Ooh, I know I didn't order blind. What is that? So here's my unit. Ooh, okay. She's body wave. She's giving. She's giving. And they gave me a couple oh, these are gonna be super cute. Okay, so they gave me some free clip-ons, a little baggie with the name on it, LuvMe Hair, and of course, like everything, I'm gonna put it, I'll put the link in the description. Okay, they gave me a wig cap. And this is like their little pamphlet. LuvMe Hair. Oh, how cute. This is honestly, thank you, LuvMe Hair. So it's like a holographic little pouch. I'm definitely going to be using this for travel, for makeup, for hair supplies. Girl, thank you so much. Okay, so we're going to open this up. Oh my god. Oh, so we got a baby hair brush for the edges. This looks like a silk scarf. And this is to tie the edges down, y'all. So this is what you, let me show you what it's looking like. Okay, look at this. It's giving, okay, beauty queen. LuvMe Hair. Comb your edges down once you have your unit on. Edges. Scarf. Tie it down, girl. Tie it down. And that's how you be laid every time. ASMR. Oh my god, it's a mirror. It's a mirror, you guys. This is so cute. Yes, honey. So she is 16 inches. Body wave. U-part wig. So this is a U-part. It's not a full unit. The top part is open, so that way you could leave your bangs out. I'm transitioning, and I didn't want to do like a full wig. I'm not ready for that. So it's finally here. She's here. It feels good. It smells good. And I'm so excited to put this on. Honestly, I haven't been feeling it. This short hair, it did me right. Like, don't get me wrong. And so many people tell me they love my hair short. Today, I'm doing something else, okay? I told you I'm going through something. This hair looks beautiful, and I'm so happy that my box came. I can't wait to put this hair on. But first, I gotta go make some dinner. Thank you so much to LuvMe Hair for being quick and responding to my emails and making sure that my hair got to me safely. I love her. Let's go. So these are the green beans, or the French green beans from Trader Joe's. So French, they're extra skinny, extra fine. They're so good, I promise. They're like really sweet. These are the 3 seasonings that I put on the green beans: pink Himalayan salt, garlic powder, and a little Creole seasoning. Bang!
1 hour later.
Okay, so dinner is ready and I am starving. So I'm just gonna stand here and eat a little bit with you guys because I'm trying to figure out my camera angles and where to go. Those are the green beans. Oh, so we're just eating clean, eating very simple. You gotta make sure that you fuel your body after a workout. She did that. Also, I realized I forgot one bag from the Dollar Tree. So I got to show you guys that. I'm going to finish eating my dinner. And then I'll show you guys my Dollar Tree haul. And then I got to call it a night because your girl is tired. Okay? Dinner was fabulous. I'm so just satisfied and I feel great. Oh, it was an amazing day. But while I was cleaning up, I literally found one more bag from Dollar Tree. So let me show you guys real quick. In spirit of Halloween, we got one of these. I'm sure one of us is gonna paint it. I think my husband grabbed it. So there's that. Look, honestly, Dollar Tree is a come up and I don't care how much money you have. If you don't shop at Dollar Tree first, girl, what are you doing? Like, honestly. So there's a lot of crafts and activities we're gonna do. And painting is one of them. So we got these really good quality. Green book for baby girl. Got for my husband to put on his vanity. It's going to be for his watch, his phone, charging station, keys, that kind of stuff. Face masks for Nyla when she goes back to school. She's going to need to wear masks. Here's pink and here's blue. And we're going to, so all together, these are all the paints that we got. Okay, and then I saw these and I was like, girl, I had to get them. So they're pink. I got two different ones because I want to use them for aesthetic purposes for, like, you know, YouTube and mostly like TikTok videos. So I'm going to make different drinks and stuff. So I just thought that these would look super cute on camera. So look, you guys, it's literally pink, my favorite color. And here's the bigger one. Cheers. Some wax paper, and I got this to go with these, which I thought was honestly so cute. So sometimes, like, you know, dealing with these kids and making dinner every night or breakfast, lunch, snacks, whatever, sometimes having all the plates, it piles up. So I saw these and I actually saw this idea on TikTok, and so I saw these in the store and I was like, girl, we gotta get them. So I got these and I got some wax paper to just throw inside and, you know, whatever. Throw the paper out, throw this back in the cabinet. Seems like a win-win. And now we're done with the Dollar Tree haul. Hey y'all, so it's currently super late at night. I am spent, exhausted, done through all of that. I'm gonna have a little late night snack and then I'm calling it a night. Your girl is
A few moments later.
So good night, you guys. I'll see you later. I'm gonna finish eating my oranges and I'll see you in the morning. Good night.
And where I'm ready, I said I'm ready.